Stop lying to yourself. You say you want to change. You say you want a better life. But if we're being brutally honest, your actions don't match your words. You keep waiting for the right time. You keep telling yourself you'll start tomorrow. Guess what? Tomorrow isn't coming. You're wasting your life. Every day you hit snooze on your goals, you're teaching your brain one thing, that comfort is more important than growth. And that's why you feel stuck. You've built a life where excuses are easier than action. Here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. Your life is exactly what you've tolerated. If you hate your job, your habits, your relationships, congratulations, you created it. Through every "I'll do it later," every compromise, every moment you chose fear over courage, this is the result. The shocking truth? No one is coming to save you. Not your friends, not your partner, not some future version of you who magically wakes up disciplined. If you don't fix it, no one will. Your feelings don't matter as much as your actions. You can feel tired, overwhelmed, unmotivated. None of that excuses you from doing what needs to be done. Your future self is screaming at you right now, screaming for you to stop destroying your potential one lazy decision at a time. You think you have time. You think you can just figure it out later. But later never comes. Years pass. Opportunities disappear. You wake up one day realizing you've built a life you don't even want. So what do? Stop lying to yourself. That's the first step. No more sugarcoating, no more fake promises. Look at your life. Really look and admit what's broken. Admit where you've been weak, lazy, or scared. Then make one powerful decision. Not 10, not a perfect plan, one decision. Decide that today you do one thing that scares you. Send the message. Quit the excuse. Start the thing you've been avoiding for months. Because the truth, you don't need more time, you need more courage. The 5-minute rule. Right now, pick one thing you've been putting off. Give yourself 5 minutes. Just start. Write the first line. Make the call. Open the damn document. Momentum is built in minutes, not months. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. You keep waiting to feel ready. You never will. Here's your wake-up call. Your life doesn't change in years. It changes in moments, in decisions, in the split second you finally get sick of your own excuses. So here's the harsh reality. If you can't spend 5 minutes today doing what matters, you'll waste the next 5 years pretending you'll get to it soon. Stop lying to yourself. Stop saying someday. This is the moment. Do something about it or admit you're fine staying exactly where you are.